Good morning and welcome back to the next video. Uh, we are going to see the implementation of sorting in questions in programs, how the different sortings can be implemented in a program. So we are going to write some questions and practice the sortings onto them. Generally, in my opinion, when it is not asked to perform a sorting with type of sorting, if the sorting is not provided, specific top is not given, that you have to perform it by exchange selection sort or selection sort or bubble sort, then I would like that, this is my opinion, I will suggest you that you people should go with the bubble sort. Easy, small, and you can do it. That's what for the mark fetching. If it is specified, then you are bound to do with that algorithm. So rather just it is a question will be here to arrange it, and we will be arranging it accordingly. So in that questions we will be using of bubble sort technique. But one question, let us arrange it, for example, take the height of the student and arrange in ascending order. So we will do it with the exchange selection sort, and the next two questions we will be dealing with the bubble sort techniques. Let's proceed now. Web to input height of 40 students and arrange them in ascending order. Using exchange selection sort. Now here it is very specific that you have to use a exchange selection sort. So import java.util.strip class abc void main scanner system.in. So what are the requirement? You require a I, you don't require a n. So you require a small, you require a position, you require a j loop to find the smallest. This is, and whatever we require at the last we will be doing with it. So height int height array equals to new int 40 for I equals to 0, I less than 40, I plus plus, so plan, enter the height of students hfi sc dot next int method close. For I equals to 0, I less than 40, I plus plus, small equals to hfi, and position equals to I. Take the position as a -1. So position equals to I. Close it. No. run another loop for j equals to I plus 1, j less than 40, j plus plus. If h of j is less than small, then small equals to h of j and position equals to j. This loop overs. No, you need a temp t equals to 0. So t equals to a of I, a of I equals to a of pos, and a of pos equals to t. Outer for close. Sublime. Ascending height. For I equals to 0, I less than 40, I plus plus, sublime h of I. Main close, class close. Is it? Now web to input temperature of different cities and arrange them in descending order. So import, we are going to use a bubble sort now. Class ABC, void main, scanner, system.in. So you require inti j and temp. That is, and temp equals to 0. Sublime. Enter size n equals to sc dot next int method double temp array equals to new double n for I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Sublime. Enter temperature. Temp of I. Temp of I equals to sc dot next double method. Now the bubble sort. For I equals to 0, I less than and minus 1, I plus plus. For j equals to 0, j less than and minus 1 minus I, j plus plus. If temp of j is less than temp of j plus 1. If this is the case, so temp t equals to a of j equals to a of j plus 1. It is temp It is also temp. Array name is temp. No? Temp of j plus 1 and temp of j plus 1 equals to t. Close, close, close. Supply. Descending order. Temp of main close, class close. Alright. Now suppose the same question is there. You have to arrange the temperature as well as city as per the descending order. मतलब समझो इसको कि एक एरे बनाया, सपोज ये जीकेपी गोरखपुर का है, ये बस्ती का है, ये लखनऊ का है, टेम्परेचर इनपुट हुआ, ये कानपुर का, ठीक है, यहाँ 40 डिग्री सेल्सियस है, बस्ती में 38 डिग्री सेल्सियस है, लखनऊ में 41 है और 43 कानपुर में है. तो हमको अरेंज कैसे करना, आउटपुट कैसे चाहिए मुझे? पहला 43 आएगा तो 43 का क्या हो जाएगा, कानपुर हो गया. देन 41 आएगा, 41 का लखनऊ हो गया, तो फिर 40 आएगा तो यहाँ जीकेपी हो जाएगा और 38 तो बस्ती हो जाएगा. So this is output, this is what your input is, this is what the question says. No, web to input temperature and name of city and arrange in descending order of temperature along with city name. And don't need to be panic. We need to increase what? We need to increase the one array and one swapping variable temp. So import java.util.asterisk class abc void main scanner so you have int I loop, j loop, and look in previous question, one thing you need to check it out, because the temperature was in double, so the t variable also should be in double only, double t 0.0. You have this, so we are going to have a double t1 equals to 0.0 and string t2 equals to null. Why? It will get confirmed ahead. You need a size n, so plan enter the size n equals to sc dot next int method, construct an array, double t array, temperature array, equals to new double, इसको कर दो ct array, ct temperature, double n and double string city name array equals to new string s capital n for I equals to 0, I less than and I plus plus. So enter city name Cn of I equals to Sc dot next method. So enter city temperature. City temperature of I equals to Sc dot next double method main close. Now here you have to implement your logic. Temperature will be used for I equals to 0, I less than n minus 1, I plus plus. For j equals to 0, j less than n minus 1, j plus plus. And this is also one of the way. If ct of j ascending करना है descending करना है ना, ct of j plus 1, then t1 equals to ct of j and ct of j equals to ct of j plus 1 and ct of j plus 1 equals to t1. ठीक है, इसी में ही आपको वो भी कर देना है. t2 equals to cn of ct नहीं था ना j and cn of j equals to cn of j plus 1 and cn of j plus 1 equals to t2. Close. Now supply. Arranged for I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So plan क्या था, cn of I plus space plus ct of I. Close, main close, class close. This is how you have to perform it. Thank you.